talk about tugboat and what's that? Katamaran. Okay, for tugboat, cantik kan? Diorang yang lukis bukan saya. Okay, the first function is help move, guide larger ship, safety in and out of parts. The second function is tow or push vessels that cannot move on their own. Like on the sea lah, kapal besar boleh kan?
Cannot. We need to respect
Cannot.
Ramrak.
Big ship and lost at somewhere in the sea, and this tugboat lah can lead good. I love you confident. Okay, the next one is size. The tugboat is small but powerful. Lepas tu next is average length, 25 to 40 meters. Engine power up to 5,000 to 8,000 horsepower. The examples of companies is Smith International on Netherlands, Boskalis on Netherlands, Rowley Maritime USA, and KT Maritime at Australia. The types of tugboat is harbour tugboat, ocean tugboats, river tugboats, and escort tugboats. The history, the first tugboats appear in early 1800 centuries after the invention of steam engines. Modern tugboats now use diesel engines and Zimuth thrusters can rotate 360 degrees. Interesting facts is tugboats also called workhorse of the sea. Some tugboats can even break ice in frozen water. Despite their size, they are extremely powerful and highly that's it. That's all from me. Thank you.
Large volume of dry cargo with significantly lower CO2 emissions per ton mile compared to rail. A key design of filters, they are feature large hatchway on the deck for efficient loading and large ballast tank to maintain stability, which are crucial because bulk cargo can shift because let me see, right, shift to capsize. Fleet size. Bulk carrier make up a significant portion of the global fleet with estimate range from fishing boat. Okay.
Baking yacht. Group. Third one, Maju Marine and Industrial Supply, Sedia Berhad. Last one, Southern Shipyard, Sedia Berhad, Johor. And catch hundreds of tons of fish. Trawlers and evolved from small coastal boats to modern industrial vessels, greatly impacting the fishing industry and marine environment. The interesting facts about the trawlers drop large nets to catch fish. Some boats have cold storage rooms to keep fish fresh. That's all. Come on, go for.
Function of jet ski is personal water transport for fun, sport, or rescue. And the history is invented in the 1970 by Kawasaki. The name jet ski actually comes from their brands. Jet ski are popular for water sport and tourism, but they are also used by lifeguard for rescue operation. Some modern jet ski even have GPS and Bluetooth system. There are three types of jet skis: stand-up jet ski, sit-down jet ski, 2 or 3 seat, electric jet ski, new eco-friendly. And some famous companies that make jet ski is Penang Ferry from Malaysia, Washington State Ferries from USA, and B&O Ferries from UK. So let's take a look at video from flying jet ski.
Ferries are boats or ships that carry people, vehicles, and goods across water. So, and they are very important in countries with many islands, such as Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. And some ferries can carry over 2,000 passengers and hundreds of cars or trucks. Continue.
Okay, we from group 2 want to present about water taxi. First, water taxi in interesting fact, eco-friendly water and help reduce traffic congestion in busy urban area. Next, we move to type water taxi. Have motorized riverboat and electric or solar power water taxi. For function, water taxi provides short distance transport and alternative to road transport in city with waterways. For capacity, water taxi can 10 until 1,000 passengers depend on size water taxi. Next, history. Before this, water taxi used for trade and travel, and modern version operate in Bangkok and Putrajaya for bring travel. Water taxi companies like Water Taxi Malaysia in Putrajaya and Malacca River. In Thailand, we have Chao Phraya Express boat. Okay, next to
So next is a supply ship. About their history, they evolved from ancient general cargo vessel to the specialized container, bulk carrier, and tanker ship of today. In ancient times, supply and trade relied on traditional vessel carrying mixed cargo. On 18th and 19th century, ship became